Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. In this tutorial I will show you how to cut video with Premiere Pro on MacBook. Are you ready? So let's get started. You should open your Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, I already opened, and the video which you want to cut you should import. Click on File, Import. I have a video on my desktop which is this one, and cut. So I imported the video. Once you import, you should drag and drop the video here. Okay, and this is my video. For example, I want to, if you want to cut, for example, click on this tools, which is eraser tools. Click on that, and you should put it wherever you want to cut. For example, I'm going to cut from here. This is the start point, and put it the end which you want to cut. I'm going to cut from here till here. That's it, and choose the selection tools. Now my video, which has three parts. This part, this part, and this part. This part I am going to cut. Click on that, and just a minute. I'm going to clear. Okay, and relocate that. That's, I cut the part which I wanted. For example, I don't want, for example, this part I don't want to be on my video. I am going to click on razor tools and put it here. Okay, put it here and put it here. That's it. As you can see now, I am going to remove this part. Clear. That's how you can cut videos on Premiere Pro. That's it guys. I hope you are all you will like the video. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section, and I will be very happy to help you out with that. See you in the next video.